There's a huge thunderstorm rolling in. You can have a look here. That's pretty intense. Hopefully it doesn't hit us too hard with any rain or anything. But yeah, we're not going to let that stop our fun today. Okay, well babe, let's hop in the car and go find something to do. That is fun. That is flippin' fun. All I brought to this for Waco Trail is a Jimny. I didn't bring an air compressor or recovery tracks or anything. So if we get stuck, this is where we're gonna live for the next week. Now that we've deflated the tires, we are probably going to have a bit more of a comfortable ride. It already feels, they were very hard. We were at about 2.5 bar. We've gone down to 1.5 now because the roads are getting a bit sloshy and a little bit muddy and slippery and stuff. So we want as much surface area in contact with the ground as possible. So it just gives us just more traction. So that's gonna help us just a little bit now. We're under the trees right now, so it's not too bad. But we're also gonna be wading through some water just now. So we just wanna make sure that we've got as much grip on the rocks and stuff underneath the water as possible.
Oh my god!
The trick with this Jimny now when it comes to off-roading, because of the new electronic diff lock that they've got on it, you actually want to hold down the accelerator, not a lot, you want to keep constant acceleration. Even when you feel you're getting stuck, you got to hold down the accelerator still so that the system can figure out, okay, this tire's not moving, and it uses the brakes to cause the axle to lock up and then move. So don't, as soon as you start slipping and stuff, don't give up. Keep it going, let it do its thing. If it's still not going and you're struggling, then just reverse and try and take the obstacle again.
You can see the result of Adrian stepping outside into the mud has made this brand new little Jimny completely muddy.
Our buddies that we were driving with today had a bit of an issue where their four-wheel drive stopped working, so we left early with them. We've just aired up our tires and stuff now, and we're hitting the road on the way back home. But I think today was a really good summary day, just to put the past week of using the Jimny into a little bit of perspective. I got a lot of kilometers driving on highway, I got driving around the city, I got testing it off-road, and really testing it off-road. We really did some hectic stuff today, and it was actually handled it beautifully. So the only thing I didn't get to test was how the Jimny performed with its standard tires. So in all fairness, I can't say it would perform exactly the same with standard tires on. But what I can say is that today the BF Goodriches performed exceptionally well in combination with the vehicle. We just had grip through everything. We very rarely, actually we didn't lose any sort of grip at all. So so far I'm really impressed. I'm really looking forward to taking this vehicle to even more adventurous places and going further and further than I could have gone with my previous car. Because today this car just separated itself from my Amarok like I can't even believe. So today's a really big day in realizing the capability of this vehicle. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more adventures and see the build, continue watching the build and see what we're going to do with this little Jimny, subscribe, like the video, and yeah, we'll see you soon.